Hello, traders. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So, as usual, we'll be analyzing the market and we'll be looking for entry opportunities. And yes, today is Thursday, another edition for beginner, session. So for this session, I'm going to be emphasizing more on making analysis in the forex chart. How to go about opening positions, and then I'll also explain buy limit and sell limit. And yes, I saw a comment yesterday where somebody was requesting that I uh, explain fundamental analysis. Okay, so yeah, I think we should start with that. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with fundamental analysis. So if uh, if we are with everybody, all right. And please, if you are trading with your demo account here on my live stream, just know that you are wasting your time. Okay. If you really want to make money, if you are serious about making money from the forex market, make sure to fund your account. Okay. So if you fund your account on my live stream, you will also be qualified, to access my premium group. Yeah, I have a premium group where I give free signals, market analysis, and market report. And then I also share insights, on news events like the CPIs and NFP and so on. Okay. So all you need to do is just click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. If you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. Okay. So when you get to the deposit page, if you deposit up to $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session. All right. So, yeah. And please note, if you fund your account, the money is going into your trading wallet. Okay, so this is the money is is what you're going to be trading with. Okay, all the signals I'll be giving here live, and even the one you receive from the premium group. The money you are funding in your account is the money you will be using to trade. Okay, so it's not as if you are paying to get any of the, joining the premium group or getting the signal. So, with that said, let's get into the activity. Let's see what the market is saying. So I'm currently on NZDUSD. All right, so yeah, as I said earlier, I'm going to start with the fundamental analysis. Okay, so there are several websites you can get your news from. All right, but before we talk about the websites, let's first understand what fundamental analysis is all about. Okay, so fundamental analysis is the kind of analysis where you go to look out for news of a particular country. So let's say you are a lover of gold, you love to trade the gold market very much. If you want to trade the gold market, the gold is associated with USD. Okay. So which means that whatever is affecting the United States dollars is definitely going to affect the gold market. So what you want to do is you want to go look for, news events, around USD, whatever is happening, on a daily basis, you want to know what is going on, because whatever is going on in the state, in the United States, is going to affect, if what is going on is related to either politics or their economy, is going to affect the United States dollar. So what you want to do is you want to look out for news events. Okay, So if you don't know, like particular days when events will happen, or you can look for news that carries the whole of the month. Okay, that will give you an insight to, all right, so this is what happens. These are the these are things that can happen for the next month. So if you are able to get this, you'll be able to tell what is going to happen on a particular day, or if the kind of move that the market is going to make. All right. So and then we have several websites you can use for such research. We have the Forex Factory, which I personally use. Okay, so you can just go to forexfactory.com. You'll be able to get the news event. In fact, they will list out the whole of the month. Okay, because they've handpicked the news event, the events that can affect the USD. Okay, so they pick those that can affect the USD, United States dollars. So they pick them out and post it in the website. And you know, when the news is about to happen, you can just go to your calendar and set an alert for the days. All right. So you don't have to be checking the website every day. You can just set like a reminder, and the date you've set, your you know alarm is going to remind you on the day that, okay, there's a news event, or there's an event in the forex market that is going to happen on this so day. Okay. So then as a forex trader, in fact, I will advise that every morning before you come to the chart, first go to look for fundamental analysis. Okay, make your fundamental analysis first. All right. In fact, that is how to become a profitable forex trader, because you want to know what's going on on the country currency you are trading. So if you trade any currency pair related to USD, you want to know, as I said earlier, you want to know what is going on with the USD. So every morning you can check out news events that will happen on the USD side. All right. So once you have these insights, it's going to give you a better edge and getting better entry opportunities in the forex market. Okay. So I'm not going to show you the website here, but you can just go to your whatever browser you use and search for Forex Factory. Okay. So there you can get news events. Okay. And then when you go there, just try and read the news they posted, and you'll be able to understand it, because they will also explain if they are expecting the market to either go up or come down. Okay. So after that, you can then come to your chart to make your analysis. Okay. So with your news, you can now analyze, and once you make your analysis, you'll be able to tell that, okay, this market is coming down, or this market would go up. All right. So that is how to read the news, basically. Okay. So if you want more details regarding the fundamental analysis, fund your account with at least $200. Okay, then I'll be able to make better explanation, and even show you how to use the forex factory itself. Okay, so I'll make we'll have a one-on-one session, and then I can show you how I personally use it. All right, so if you want to get that, just fund your account with at least $200. Okay, fund your account with $200. Just click on the banner where deposit with benefit is boldly written on. If you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. Okay, so if you fund up to $200, If you fund $10 will only get you into the premium group where you'll be able to receive signals and market analysis and market reports. Okay, so $50 for 2 weeks. $15, will give you access to the same thing, but you'll be there for a month. Okay, the same signal, market analysis, and market reports. But $10 is for 2 weeks, $15 is for 1 month, and $200 is for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live session with me. All right. So, guys, if you are really serious about making money from the forex market, make sure to fund the account. Okay. And trust me, once you have the experience, that's all you need to start making money. All right. So we are currently on NZDUSD. Okay. Now we are on the chart. Okay. So let's say after making fundamental analysis, I came back to the chart, and from what I've read on the fundamental side of the market, they are suggesting that they are expecting, a move on USD. They are expecting a bullish move on USD. Now, let me explain, something very important to you guys. So, if you've followed me, on any news event, you'd remember that I always mention that when when the news favors USD, so let's say what they predicted or what they are expecting, or the news, let's say the data that was released came out, strong, giving power to the USD. It simply means that USD is going to buy. Okay, so let's say the data, that was released this month is higher than what they released last month. It means that the economy is of the US economy is boosting. Okay, so what that simply means in the forex market is it's going to give power to USD, and it's going to allow USD to go bullish. Okay, and if the data comes out weaker than what they got the previous month, it's going to make the USD fall. Okay, so USD would fall, USD will sell. All right. So now how this works in the forex market is, so let's take them one after the other. Let's say the news that was released came out strong. Okay, stronger than what they got the previous month, which simply means that the market is going to buy. So any pair where USD is the base currency, USD would buy. Okay. So in the forex pair, we have what we call the base currency and the quote currency. Base currency is the first pair, currency in the pair, while the quote currency is the second currency in a pair. So NZD NZD is the base currency, while USD is the quote currency in this case. Okay, so here where we have USDCAD. USD is the base currency and CAD is the quote currency. Now, if we have a favorable data, okay, a data that came out strong, which would give power to USD and make USD buy. Now we are expecting a buy on USD. So USD will only buy on USDCAD because USD is a base currency. Okay, so guys, this is very important. Okay, so where USD is the base currency is where USD would buy. Okay, so anywhere USD is the quote currency, USD will not buy, USD will sell. All right, that is how the news works. Okay, so I'm just explaining this in case maybe you haven't been paying attention, or this is your first time of joining my live session. All right, so yeah, let me explain that one more time. we have base currency, we have the quote currency. Okay, so in a pair, the first currency is the base currency, while the second currency is the quote currency. And as I've said earlier, I made an example with NZDUSD. So NZD is the base, USD is the quote. So in this case, if the market favors USD, let's say the data that was released is higher than what they got the previous month, which means USD is going to buy. Okay, so USD will only buy where USD is a base currency. Okay, where USD is the first currency. Now, in a pair where USD is the quote currency, USD would sell. So GBP USD, USD would sell. Okay, but USD JPY, USD would buy. All right, and the opposite goes for if the market comes out weaker than the previous month, so USD is going to sell. Yeah, now USD would sell where USD is a base currency. Okay, so USD JPY, USD will sell. USD CAD, USD will sell. But NZD USD, NZD would buy. Okay, or sorry, USD would buy. Okay, so GBP USD, GBP would buy. All right. So guys, that's just the simple explanation for how the news event works. All right. So I'm seeing something very important here. Let me just quickly analyze this market, guys. You see, our session is very interesting. We are learning and earning at the same time. So I saw an opportunity, and I want to quickly analyze the market and see if this is something we can jump on. So this is NZD USD. All right, so we can enter this trade. This is the 1 hour time frame, and this market is going to sell. All right, but this is going to be an intraday trade. Okay, so you can leave this for a while. Yeah, let me copy out the take profit and the stop loss. Okay. All right. So this is the stop loss and the take profit for this position. Okay. So guys, you can quickly set up just open your position. You can still enter. Okay, so we are selling NZDUSD. All right, go to market, search for NZDUSD, click on sell, set your take profit, set your stop loss, and execute your trade. Okay. All right. So yeah, let's go to the 2 hour time frame. I want to see if so. You see, it aligned well with my trend line. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna make explanation on is buy limit, sell limit, pending orders. All right. So a lot of questions, has been asked by the newbies. So most of you guys don't, you can't differentiate between the market you are supposed to, execute now and your buy limit, sell limit orders. Now, buy limit and sell limit, they are not markets to be executed immediately. Okay, so these are markets you are setting a price. You are setting a price on. Okay, so let's say you are saying that, all right, when the market gets to this specified, price point, the market should either buy or sell. Okay, so a buy or sell should be executed at this price point. All right, so that is pending order. That is what your buy limit and sell limit is all about. All right, so now let's say I didn't get this market from this point. All right, or maybe after my analysis, my analysis is saying that, you know, the market is going to come back to this level, okay, to this area before actually selling to the downside. So I can actually set my price, I can set my entry point at this level. Okay, I can set my entry point at this level. I'm going to set, if I want to set a pending order here, the pending order type I'll set here is a sell limit. Okay, so this is how a sell limit works. Now, sell limit is going to trigger when the market gets to this point. Okay, so this market is going to buy. All right, it's going to buy. I'm expecting this market to come back to this level. All right, so if I'm expecting the market to come back, which means I'm expecting the market to buy to this point. All right, so when the market gets to this point, a sell will be executed, a sell order will be executed, which is my sell limit. Okay, so now when the sell limit executes, I have my stop loss on, I have my take profit. Okay, so I have the take profit and the stop loss set when I was setting my pending order. So the market will trigger, and if the market goes, you know, to my predicted direction, the market would then sell. Okay, the market would sell and give me profit. All right. So it's the same for, it's just the opposite for a buy limit. Okay, so a buy limit is, let's say, all right, so from the higher time frame, this market is a sell market. Okay, the market is selling. All right, and then with my analysis, I saw a buying opportunity around this level. So my analysis is saying that when the market gets to this point, the market will buy. Okay, when the market gets to this point, the market will buy. All right. So let's say after my analysis, I have a buy confirmation around this zone. Maybe I saw a support level, and it's a strong support level. And I know that when the market gets to that level, the market would buy. The bulls will take over the market. Now, what I want to do is I want to set a buy limit order on this price point. Okay, I want to set a buy limit order around this area. So I can just go to, my trading app, my BtcDana trading app, go to pending order and, set a buy limit. All right. So if I'm going to set a buy limit here, what I'll do is I'll enter the price from this point. Okay, because this is where I want my buy order to get executed. So I'm just going to copy the price point on this area. What is the price point here? So the price point is 0.60513. Okay, so I'll set this on the entry point, which is where I want my order to get executed. So I'm going to enter the entry point, my stop loss, and my take profit. Okay, you have to specify a take profit and a stop loss for your trade. It's very important. Okay, you have to set a stop loss and a take profit for your trade. It is very, very important. All right. So now let's say I have my take profit, my entry point, my take profit, and my stop loss on, and then I'll just click on buy. Okay, so when the market gets to this point and sell down to this level, a buy order, you know, will trigger. The market will execute a buy order for me. Okay, so that is what pending order is all about. Okay, so if you come across a signal, that carries pending order, buy limit, sell limit, what I've explained here is what they are trying, is the information they are giving out. Okay, that is what the signal is telling you to do. The signal is telling you to set a pending order for a buy or a sell. All right. So please let me know in the comment section if there's any part of my explanation you don't understand. Okay. And if you want to get a better explanation regarding everything that I've explained here, just fund your account. All right. So if you become a premium member, you have access to me. Okay. That is if you fund up to $200. All right. So if you fund up to $200, you have access to me personally, and I'll be able to guide you on everything that I've explained here. So yeah, that is it for pending order, buy limit, and sell limits. Okay. And our trade is running in profit. Okay. We are in profit, guys. We have our take profit and our stop loss on. Okay. So, and the trade, the signal is an intraday signal, which means the market, because I made the analysis from the higher time frame. So the trade is going to, take a while before getting to my take profit. So All right. So let's make analysis from another market. Okay. So I've explained fundamental analysis. I've explained pending orders, buy limit, and sell limit. So what else do we need to, you know, what else do I need to explain, guys? Please let me know in the comment section below. Okay. And if there's any part of my explanation, you don't get, you don't understand, let me know, right? So I'll be happy to re-explain everything for you to you, because the main reason I'm doing this, is because of the newbies that don't know how, how to trade, how to trade the forex market. Okay, so please don't be shy to ask your question. If there's any part you don't understand, let me know. All right. Let's analyze USDCAD. Okay, let's analyze USDCAD. So I'm going to delete everything here and show you why I'm predicting a buy trade for this market. So this is the 1 hour time frame, and obviously the market is on buy. Okay, the market is bullish. So this is the 2 hour time frame. And on the 2 hour time frame, yeah, the market has been bearish for a while. Let's go to 4 hours. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. All right, so on the 4 hour time frame, from this level to this level here, the market is bearish. Okay, so first thing first, I want to have my trend line. Okay, I want to have my trend line on and see if the market, is going down, if it's really going down. Okay, so we have the trend line on, and the trend line is also confirming that the market is bearish on the higher time frame. Now let's go back to the 2 hour time frame. Okay, so the 2 hour time frame is also a bearish market. Okay, but the 1 hour time frame is on buy. All right, so 1 hour time frame is buying. So now what we're going to do here is we have a trend line on. Okay, so we can actually use trend line to indicate a break of structure if there's any. All right, so a break of structure has been identified here. You see, when the market got to this level, the market broke out of the trend line, the lower trend line. And after the break, the market made a retest back to the trend line. So there was a first retest that happened here. The market failed to go down. And then the market made another retest, which is the second retest here. And still the market failed to go down. Okay. Until the third one. So why this happened is because we have an order block above, and the market wanted to reach out, wanted to touch the order block before actually going down. Okay, so the order block, we have this order block here. So you see, after respecting the order block here, the market started selling. Okay, the market started selling. All right, so we have a sell on USDCAD because of what happened here. So we have a breakout, we have a retest, and we have the continuation pattern. All right. We have breakout, we have retest, and we have the continuation. So the direction to focus on now is bearish direction, which is the sell. Okay. This is the direction to focus on. You see, this is why making a top-down analysis is very important in the forex market. So imagine I had made decision with what I saw on the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame would say the market is buying, whereas the market is actually on a bearish trend. Okay, so but with our top-down analysis, you know, we made the analysis from the 1 hour time frame. From the 4 hour time frame. In the 4 hour time frame, you know, it's showing that the market has been bearish for a while now. We came down to, went down to the 2 hour time frame, and the 2 hour time frame was also confirming a bearish market. So with that, we were able to tell that the 1 hour time frame, the direction we got on the 1 hour time frame is just for a short while. Okay, the market is actually on a downtrend, and the market is going to sell. You see, it's not as if the market can still buy on the 1 hour time frame. The market can actually buy, but just that if you have a direction, it's best, you focus your analysis on that direction. So if the market is saying that it's going to buy, make sure your focus is on buy. If the market is going to sell, make sure your focus is on sell. Okay, because if you go against the market, yeah, you can lose money. In fact, it's not you can lose money. You lose money if you go against the market. All right. Not that you can't get opportunity. You can get opportunity. But if you want, a good winning rate, make sure to follow the trend. So what we're going to do here is we are going to follow the trend of the market, which is sell. Okay. So this market is going to continue to sell for a while. All right. This is going to continue to sell for some times. All right. But I'm not going to open a position here. Oh no, let me leave that to you guys to decide. So let me know in the comment section below if you want us, to place this trade or not. All right. So for the meantime, let's just continue with our analysis. Okay. Okay, so we can also, have something like this. So since we already know that the market is on a bearish trend, and this is going to continue to go down. Okay, I think we can actually, make this our second entry for today. Okay, so let me just copy out the take profit and the stop loss for this trade, guys. All right. So we are selling USDCAD. Okay. USDCAD sell now. USDCAD sell now. So sell and set your take profit on your stop loss. Okay. So I hope everyone has said take profit and stop loss for this trade. All right. So let's analyze another market. I think we should analyze. So we've made analysis on the forex space, right? So I think we should change instrument. Let's make analysis from gold instead. Okay, XAUUSD. So let's see what XAUUSD is up to this morning. You see, I was actually waiting for the move, from this price point. Well, unfortunately, I didn't get the move on time. Okay, I wasn't able to catch the move from the starting point. Well, yeah, it doesn't matter. I mean, you can't get all the entries in the forex market like every time. But you can see what happened here. The market had, come to this level. The market came here. All right. So this is the analysis I made yesterday where I said the market, was going to buy, and you can see the market is still buying. Okay, but to this level, this is a drawdown, but I believe the market will continue to go up. All right. So this market will only go down if it breaks below, it closes below the this trend line. Okay. So I believe it's going to continue to go up. All right. We have a fair value gap and another block above this area, and that is why you see the market, pulling down. Okay. So the market pulled down from this level because of the fair value gap. All right. But the bulls still have the momentum. Okay. So I strongly believe that they will still overtake the market and the market would continue to go up. All right. So this would only change if the market goes below this level. Okay. This is the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. This is the 15 minutes time frame analysis. The market would only go below the level. The market will only go below the level if the bears, has overtaken the power. All right, but right now, I believe the market is still going to go up. Okay, because from the higher time frame, the overall trend is still bullish. All right, sometimes you can have all the confirmations, but you still need to consider what the higher time frame is also saying. So if the higher time frame is saying that the market is going to buy, I don't think anything can hold the market. I can stop the market from buying. Okay. So all you can do is follow the trend of the market, not going against the market trend. All right. So this is my analysis for XAUUSD. I'm just going to wait and see if the market would go below my trend line. Okay. No, you're not supposed to go there when she's having it. When she's not. All right. So let's just wait and see. I think we have 6 minutes to the end of this candle. Okay, less than 7 minutes. I think 6 minutes there about to the end of this candle. Let's say if it, oh, sorry, we don't have up to 6 minutes to the end of our session. Okay, let's just stay on the 5 minutes time frame. We have less than 2 minutes to the end of this candle. So if the candle closes and it closes in our favor, then we get to open a position. All right. Okay, we have less than 6 minutes. All right. Okay, we have less than 6 minutes on the 15 minutes time frame. So let's see if this is going to give us an entry opportunity. All right. So if we get an opportunity, we'll just go ahead and open position. All right, we have less than 3 minutes, guys. Less than 3 minutes to the end of the candle. So the market is still within this range. And this is the range where we have, so there's a minor support level around here. Okay. So what we were, initially waiting for, was the break of this support. Okay. But I don't think that is happening anytime soon. So guys, the confirmation we waited for didn't, happen. But remember, we have positions on USDCAD and NZDUSD. So make sure to close position once you start making profit. All right. So guys, that will be all for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you on our next live trading session. So bye for now.